on gallstone disease. Which of the following stones is exclusively formed in gallbladder only? Which of the following stones is formed exclusively in gallbladder only? Very interesting question. It is formed only in black stones. Only black stones are formed exclusively in gallbladder. So cholesterol stones, brown stones can form in the bile duct also. This is a very important point because black stones occur in hemolytic states. They are found exclusively in the gallbladder. Whereas brown stones can occur within the biliary tree and suggest a disorder of biliary motility disorder associated with bacterial infection. So let us discuss about the gallstones now. Gallstones can be divided into the following types: cholesterol type of gallstones and pigment type of gallstones, and the other one is mixed stone. So please remember, 100% cholesterol is known as pure cholesterol stone. 100% they contain cholesterol. Pure cholesterol stone, it is formed of cholesterol monohydrate crystals. Cholesterol monohydrate crystals are forming this cholesterol stones. Okay, very simple point. Pigment stones are stones which contain less than 30% cholesterol. Please remember, they also contain cholesterol, but the content is less than 30%. Whereas mixed contains more than 30% cholesterol. So in India, the most common stone is mixed stone. In world level, the common stone is mixed stone. Actually, there is no point mentioning India. Therefore, you can remember the most common stone in Asians is brown pigment stone. In Western countries, the most common stone is cholesterol stone. Okay, this is the basic outline I am telling you now. Now, brown pigment stones are further divided into brown pigment stones and black pigment stones. So please remember, they both will have cholesterol, but the cholesterol content is less than 30%. So what are the components of brown pigment stone? It is made up of calcium palmitate, calcium stearate, and calcium bilirubinate plus less than 30% cholesterol. So calcium palmitate, stearate and bilirubinate and less than 30% cholesterol is brown stone. Black stone is made up of insoluble bilirubin pigments. Insoluble bilirubin pigments made up of calcium phosphate is present in these. Insoluble bilirubin pigments plus calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate are all seen in black pigment stones. This is the reason black pigment stones are very, very hard and they are radio-opaque. In more than 50% time they are radio-opaque. Brown pigment stones are radiolucent stones. They are not seen on X-ray at all. They are radiolucent stones. 100% radiolucent stones. Whereas cholesterol stone itself is 15% radio-opaque. Cholesterol stone itself is 15% radio-opaque, and cholesterol stones are also hard golden yellow color stones. Cholesterol stones are hard golden yellow color stones. Whereas brown pigment stones are actually not stones. They are soft earthy stones. They are soft earthy stones. When you take in your hand and crush it, it will fall into pieces. They are soft earthy stones, brown stones. Black pigment stones are very hard radio-opaque stones, and they have an incidence of total incidence of black pigment stone is 10 to 15%, and they are more common in children, and they are more common in hemolytic anemias. So please remember, more common in hemolytic anemias, and therefore this is a stone exclusively formed only in gallbladder. They cannot form in the bile duct. They cannot form in the bile duct. Okay, they cannot form in the bile duct is a very important point.